Uh, okay, so how to scroll on a H, how to scroll on a float plane. So this is the results you want, and I'm gonna teach you how to do that. So first things first, you will need a scroll pane to scroll, and then you need a float pane to so you can put the stuff. So I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna delete this. So I'm gonna delete the scroll pane. First, I'm gonna copy whatever the whatever you the item you need. So I'm going to delete this, and then I'm gonna search up scroll pane. Scroll pane empty, and I'm going to place it where I want to place it. So I'm gonna place it here. Right. Right. Um, Scroll pane empty. Place it in the V box. Okay. Scroll pane paste. Place it into the V box. Stretch it as much as you can, and also make sure it's empty. And then what you're gonna do is search up um floor and what you're gonna do is you're gonna drag it and then drop it into the scroll pane. So the good thing about this is that the floor pane is that it's resizable. I mean, all the other boxes are resizable, but like when you add an item, it generally resizes. So what you're gonna do is drag it to the scroll position. If you want to keep it if you want it to be a vertical scroll, you can do what I'm doing. Or like if you want to keep it to a horizontal scroll, you can just do this, like drag it outside, and it'll still be the same results. So what you're gonna do is just drag it to however you want it to. If it was horizontal and vertical. But I'm gonna keep it vertical only. So that's that. And I'm going to just take the item that I copied a while earlier and then paste into. And that's gonna allow me to paste the item. So I'm gonna keep pasting the item. Oh, sorry. I am pasting the item inside. I just pasted the item inside the other item. It's not good. Um, Paste. Oh, shoot. Paste into. Paste into. And then, well, I think this should be okay. So, as you can see, when I added the other item, it just resized itself. So, this kind of looks very messy. So, a way to solve this is you're gonna go up to layouts. So, you're gonna click on the floor pane. You're gonna click on layouts, and then you're gonna you can edit the H gap. So this is like horizontal gap is going to be the difference between like the margins between each item. So you can set that to whatever you want. So I want to set, I personally want to set that to 50, and that's kind of the gap I want. And V gap is the gap between, you know, the top and the bottom. So you can set that to whatever you want to. So um now that that's done, you can preview the item. So, and that's how you get the results. Subscribe and let me know if this helped you.